The Kettle Gryp is perhaps one of the best things I've bought for my at-home gym. It gives you the ability to transform any dumbbell into a kettlebell, which is awesome because now you don't have to waste money on buying a bunch of different sizes of kettlebells that'll just be sitting around your gym taking up space. This thing does it all. But the reason I like this one more than all the other ones you'll see in the market is simply because it's built the best. It is made out of strong material and it'll hold up under any type of pressure you put it in. It also has these nice little grippers here in the center for the crossbar of the dumbbell that stop it from spinning or moving. You get extreme stability when you're pulling. And trust me, you're gonna want that. It also has a decent sized handle here at the top, which means it feels comfortable for your hand when you have to pull or move it around. Some out there are too thin and it just doesn't feel comfortable when you put some extra weight in here. Oh, and a personal favorite of mine is I'm glad it comes in a bright color. It makes it easy to find on the gym floor when everything else is black and gray. Now to use the Kettle Gryp, all you gotta do is just pull up right here on this flap and pull it open. Then you can take any dumbbell that's under 55 pounds, lay it right here in the middle, close it up, snap, and pull it down, and there you go. Now you have yourself a kettlebell, whatever size dumbbell that you put in there. And the cool thing about it is it stands up as well, provided that the crossbar on the dumbbell is thick enough. If it's a smaller one, yeah, it could flop over to the side, something like that. But those grippers in there, like I said before, hold it in place, which is nice. So that way you might not have to dip down as far, making it easier on your knees and body. It's just simply perfect. I love it so much. Now, if you're worried your dumbbells at home won't fit into the Kettle Gryp, you'll be okay because it accommodates most. Anything that's got a hex end or a cap end or a plate end will work perfectly fine. In fact, I'll put a few here up on screen. The only ones you have to worry about are the neoprene handles there because those are thicker and may not work there, but it may accommodate some smaller ones. So just be on the lookout and do your due diligence before you buy one. Now the Kettle Gryp comes in right around $30 to $40, and I'll be honest with you, it's a value at any price that you get. It just gives you so many more options when you're in your at-home gym now. I can do so many different exercises for my upper body and lower body. This is literally one of the best things I have ever bought. And I would highly recommend. I'm like speechless because I think it's just so good. I'm not even pulling the wool over your eyes. It's just great to have, and I recommend that you get one. The only thing that might stink is you might have to get yourself two. One for each arm, depending on which type of exercises you like to do. And if you do end up getting yourself one, you can do me a huge favor. Use the links down in the video description below. Those links help me out, so thank you very much, by the way. Also, while you're down there, you might as well hit like and subscribe and leave a comment of what type of exercise tools and cool buys that you're using. If you need any more other awesome buys and reviews from this channel here, you can check out the videos over to the side. I'll catch you all in the next review. Take care, and of course, peace.